this is very important for people to hear. If you learn social media skills, you have no idea where they're going to go, right? I mean, Kathryn had copywriting skills. She combined the social media skills. Then she applied it to podcasting. She applied it to funnels. She's applied it to, everything we do. And now she's pretty much running the majority of the behind the scenes for our business, which is incredibly interesting and a phenomenal achievement and accomplishment that started with, okay, I've been made redundant. I'm going to upskill in this thing. And then I have no idea where it's going to go.